my name is Ori and we're gonna be making a Chainsaw Man mask for my female Denji cosplay, so enjoy. So what we're gonna be using today is this Among Us mask that I used once and I got it from Amazon. I think it was $20 like a year ago. So I use modeling clay to make all the details of the mask. Then I just put it together with some hot glue. So I just paint everything with black spray. I waited for another day until it dried to start painting everything in red and orange colors. Okay, so maybe here I fucked up a little bit. I add all these sprinkles or, decoration. I don't know what I was thinking. I think I just wanted to make it look better, I guess. I start putting so much tape and it doesn't stop there because I'm gonna add black tape. Here's my baby boy, say hi. As I was saying, yeah, black tape, it is. So I got this from Dollar Tree, is where we're gonna make the chainsaw. I'm just gonna cut it. So I decided to take the black paper off because it was looking very weird, and then I cut the other chainsaw parts of the materials and we're gonna paint this. Painting is done. Now we're gonna glue all this shit together. Okay, so I start drawing the teeth and we're gonna cut this and glue it together basically again. And that's it, guys. Hope you like it and thank you for watching, and hopefully you can make yours better than mine. And you can check all the photos on my Instagram.